Help your customers reuse your packaging. In this package, we have added materials that can be used in multiple ways, either to wrap the jewelry or to wrap the postal box, or even both. With a gift tag and a golden star, the jewelry bag is ready to go. The enclosed gift wrapping paper and ribbon is perfect for wrapping the postal box. But the purpose of the gift wrapping paper is threefold. Firstly, it's a void filler that protects the jewelry during transport. Secondly, it's a part of the unboxing experience. And thirdly, as wrapping paper for the postal box. Remember to guide your customers so they know how to use the materials.